Hello and welcome to our informational video on math progression in the Chem, Math, MTSS, Stat, and Data Science majors. The purpose of this video is to provide you an overview of math placement and what math courses you should be prepared to take in these majors. It is important to note that you have a math placement in order to successfully enroll in math and science courses. Please be sure to enroll in the Mathematics Advisory Exam, also known as the MAE, so that you have a math placement. Your math placement can also be determined by your AP, IB, or transfer coursework you may have completed at a community college. Depending on your MAE scores, you could start with ARC 35, which is pre-college math, and should be taken in summer prior to starting at UCR. Math 6A, Math 5, which are both pre-calculus, and Math 9A, which is single variable calculus. For ARC 35 placement, please visit the listed academic Resource Center website for enrollment information in this course. Your AP Calculus and IB HL credit may help you place at Math 9B, Math 9C, or have the Math 9 series completion. Please refer to your AP score for appropriate math placement. To help you better understand math course progress, I will elaborate on course numbering and titles. ARC 35 is intermediate algebra. Math 6A and 6B is pre-cal taught over 2 quarters. Math 5 is pre-cal taught over 1 quarter. Math 9 series is single variable calculus. This is Math 9A, B, and C. These are the foundational courses for all majors specified in this video session. Math 31 is linear algebra. Math 10A and 10B is calculus of several variables. Math 46 is ordinary differential equations. With ARC 35 placement and successful completion, the student will then take Math 6A, then move into Math 6B. With successful completion of Math 6B, students will take Math 9A. Please be aware the passing standard for ARC 35 is 75% or higher. With Math 6A placement and successful completion, students will then take Math 6B. Upon successful completion of 6B, students will move into Math 9A. Please note there is no Math 6B placement, only Math 6A. With Math 5 placement and successful completion, a student will then take Math 9A. Do not take Math 6A. Course numbering is not based upon level of difficulty for all math courses. Math 6A and 6B is similar course to Math 5, pre-cal, but it is taught over 2 quarters. Math majors in the first year should be prepared to complete Math 9A, B, and C in their first year. In addition, other courses of importance are Math 31 and 10A. Math 46 is not a high priority lower division course for math majors, but should be completed by fall or winter of second year. Chem majors are required to take Math 9 series, Math 10A, and 2 of the following: Math 10B, Math 31, Math 46. Be sure to review upper division Chem course prerequisite requirements to review the priority of which math to take. Ideally, Chem students should be prepared to complete Math 9A, B, and C in the first year, and possibly 10A. Stat and data science majors are required to take Math 9 series, Math 31, and 10A. Data science students are also required to take Math, Computer Science 11, which is discrete structures. Stat and data science majors should be prepared to complete Math 9A, B, and C in the first year. Stat and data science students should ideally take Stat 100A by the spring term of their first year. However, though, students will have an opportunity to enroll in Stat 100A and 100B in the second year and still remain on time to degree. These course options for students with AP credit for the entire Math 9 series will vary by major. For Chem, they should consider Math 10A, Math 31, and 46. For Math MTSS, they may consider Math 10A, Math 31, and 46. For Stat and Data Science, they may consider Math 10A or 31. Any student in Chem, Math, and Stat with more math credit, such as Math 10A, 31, or 46, please be sure to inform your advisor. These types of course credits usually involve transfer coursework from the community college. It is important that you submit these transcripts to the admissions office as soon as possible. Also be prepared to show an unofficial transcript during your HOF major session. Thank you for viewing this video. For more detailed information, please be sure to follow up with your academic advisor. You can find all contact information for the CNAS Undergraduate Academic Advising Center staff at cnasstudent.ucr.edu.